You already know my name. But tonight, I want you to call me Daddy.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me again with another video. Shameless plug here, if you're not following me on Instagram, boop, that is my Instagram right there, and you should go ahead and subscribe to your girl as well on this channel. I am literally not very close to 3,000, but I know I can get to 3,000 sub. I'm really trying to get to 3,000 subscribers by my birthday, which is June 1st. So Team Gemini in the building, you heard? Okay. So yeah, subscribe to your girl, so therefore I can have like 3,000 subscribers as a birthday gift. Show me some love. But I'm here to show you the easiest way to put your O-rings on. Tried and true. When I discovered this way, my struggles were over. I was just like, oh, bitch. I was like, what the because I'm telling you this, listen, O-rings had me shook, mad, crying in a corner. So I'm going to show you how to put it on. Let's do this real quick. So, you know your tapers already come with like 2 O-rings on them. On your actual plug or tunnel, you will have like another O-ring. So what I usually do when it's, I'm not going to demonstrate right now because I just stretched up to a 6. So I'm not in a place to take my tunnels out. Let's pretend the tunnel is in your ear. What I like to do is to take that same O-ring, put it on my taper, not all the way down, about this much. And then this taper, this tunnel is in your ear. So what I like to do is to insert the taper. So the tunnel is already in your ear, right? Insert the taper into it, into the tunnel itself. While it's in your ear, you're going to hold the tunnel down and push the taper as far as it will go. So you're going to go ahead and hold the tunnel down so it doesn't come out. So you're holding it like this. So you push it through. So you're going to see the taper coming through. So you're going to hold the tunnel down so it doesn't like push your taper out your ear. So that's what I'm demonstrating right here. So it's in your ear and it's like this. You're holding the tunnel. You hold the tunnel down. So all you have to do now is that you hold the tunnel firmly in place and you just go ahead and push it up while it's in your ears, and it's on. And that's pretty much how you do it. So I'll just do it one more time. You have your tunnel in your ear. You go ahead, put the taper through the tunnel, hold it firmly, and then you're going to push the O-ring on, and there you go. It is on. Okay, so that is how you get your O-rings on. Let me know if you've tested this method out or if you've used this method before and it works. I know it worked. It should work for every size. You've just watched my face for however the hell long, and I thank you so much for watching it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.
Now, call me Daddy. Get at me more.